Andrew, you brought us to Angstrom Engineering in South Warwickshire. Now, Excetek, you've got this fantastic machine that you've just sold in this wire machine, the V650G version. So what I really want to know is that this company is very big into the automotive sector, into press tooling, and they've been using EDM by another manufacturer for a number of years. But how did you get your foot in the door?
I think the value of the Excetek machine is the first thing that people look at, and that becomes interesting for somebody. Then we get involved, we show them the support, the quality of the machine, and then Graham actually asked us to do a test cut and compared it to his existing equipment, and that test cut came out very well indeed, and he was happy to go ahead with the Excetek.
Now, with the Excetek, we know that there's a number of different varieties of sizes that you're actually selling in the UK, but why the 650 here?
The 650 was chosen, Graham chose the 650 because it replaces two smaller machines. So there were two smaller machines here before. He's replaced it with one bigger machine that can do more work for him. It's more reliable. And he really emphasized the ability of the machine to reliably refeed the wire. So when we do an auto rethread, for that to be reliable and consistent was very important to him.
And looking at the actual tooling they actually produce here, why do you need an EDM machine to really sort of cut that type of material? Is it because of the size of the component or the hardness of the materials?
EDM is used really for difficult to machine components. So it's either a small feature which is difficult to machine, a small radius, a hard material which is difficult to machine conventionally, or perhaps just less input in terms of the processing. It's one process, it's start to finish, so you can create a big profile, whereas you may be milling that from a couple of different angles.
Now, Warwick Machine Tools have had the agency for a number of years in the UK. I'm seeing a lot more installations now. What message would you actually give engineers that are looking for an EDM solution in reference to Warwick Machine Tools and Excetek?
Definitely consider Excetek as a solution. It's, from what the customers say when they come to see the machine, the quality surprises them, the performance surprises them, and definitely the value for money is what they're looking for.
And how accurate are they?
Well, this machine is a plus minus 5 micron machine.
And when you look at the touch panels system that you've got there as well, is it easy for engineers to actually go from one manufactured machine to an Excetek?
It's extremely easy to use. It's like a lot of other machines nowadays. It's a Windows-based control system. It's extremely easy to maintain. The cost of the parts to maintain the machine are very, very reasonable. So it's something which shouldn't be overlooked when you're looking at EDM.
And lastly, which most engineers would probably want to know, do you carry stock in the UK?
Of course we do. We carry all the stock for these machines.